Greetings. I am Singh Randhawa, Miss Punjab, Miss India, top model UK, author and a speaker in front of you. I'm really grateful to be connected to Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, an A+ graded institute. The faculty, the director, the students are the core pillars of this institute. And the zeal that I see in them is amazing. The institute provides the right opportunity for the students, and the students pick up the right personality and the skills to get their career on the mark. And I want to take a special moment to thank the chairman of this institute for taking the endeavor to cultivate the right potential in the students. Thank you.